I did not see you there. Hello, my name's Ajahn Joseph. Sawasdee krab. Hey, I want to tell you something. Come closer. Closer. I know how you feel about English. It sucks! Where did this come from? Okay. So here's the thing. You've tried to learn English, and it's very difficult. But no matter how hard you try, you never even use it. So, English has become a bore. But you hunger to do more. Do you hear that? Shh. Is it gone? Whew. Man, he was hungry too. You see, English is more than a school book or an examination. Get this out of here. Language is a living thing, and just like you both need room to grow. What choices are you willing to take? How far are you willing to go? Well, it's not as far as you think. Now, I want you to take the choice to meet me at the Buddy Genius Open House and take the suck out of English. Start doing English for the fun of it. Before you know it, you'll be more satisfied with how you feed yourself English every day. Oh, ดูเวลาสิผมต้องไปแล้วพบกันครับสวัสดีครับ